what's up? So today we are going to Jumia. I ordered for a selfie stick and then a tripod phone holder. So we are going to pick it up. I'll do an unboxing and we'll see if what I ordered was what I actually got. So go with me and let's see what's up. I once ordered a certain what do you call it, a tripod, very mini tripod, and I was so disappointed. I was like, the thing was so small. It didn't even keep long and all those foams around it got spoiled. When we get back, I'll see if I can give you I'll show it to you if it's actually there. So the pickup station I'm going to is in Ablekuma. So I think it's called Blossom something. I see never. When you go to pick up, you would have to let them know your package number and you show your ID card. You write all those information down before you get your package. Yes. I had to confirm and be sure that is exactly my order. Pickup station is called Blossom Palace, as opposite the Excel Fuel station in Ablekuma. The way this thing looks big, I think this one will be so perfect. So when I get home, I'll open it for us to see. Okay. So we're going to unbox the package. Okay. Yeah. Selfie remote mini tripod, and then the one on top is what do you call it? A phone holder for tripod stands. Yeah. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing. You know the excitement, and keep talking and blabbing about your excitement. Okay, let me just go ahead and open it. Okay. So that's the price. Okay. So tripod mount holder for cell phone. Okay, so that's the actual name. Yeah. Okay. We'll open the other one first. We open them together. Oh, no problem. Yeah, already. I don't even know why I was wasting time. Oh, ta-da! Ta-da. I just hope this is as perfect as I saw it online. I think it's going to be good. Hey, yeah, that's it. It's the same thing I saw. The same thing I wanted. Yeah, so this is the phone tripod holder. Okay, yes, you put it on the tripod and you fix your phone on it. I mean, I'm so excited. This is exactly what I saw on the picture. Is exactly what I have. Look at this. So you open it up, then you fix your phone here, then this place will be screwed on your tripod. Yeah, I'm so excited. Maybe I might fix it on a tripod for you to see. Now to the selfie stick. This is a Bluetooth selfie stick. Why am I, it's like I'm flowing like I've been asked to do an advert. No, but I'm just excited about what I got. Okay, so I'm opening it. Please don't disappoint me, I beg you, because I really... Oh, it's taking up. This is how it's going to be. So let's put the box away. Then we have this. Oh my god, this is quality. I mean, I've always wanted something metallic. This time around, I really checked the instructions on the Jumia page. If you don't check the specifications, you may just select any product at all. I bought one tripod, a phone holder, something like a selfie stick, and I was so disappointed. But this must be perfect. I hope it's that long though. Okay, then you do like this. Hey, Okay, this is the remote. This is the remote. I'm really excited that I've bought something that makes sense. Yeah, seriously. I'm excited that I bought something that makes sense. So I guess this is where I fix my phone. And how do I open it up? I don't know. Yay. Okay. I'm kind of lost with the products. Hey, 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 hey. I've discovered how to navigate around it. There's the height. You pull it like this. You pull it like this. You have the height. Okay. Then I'll pull it. Pull it and fix it. Fix it in. I think I haven't fixed it well, but I don't know. So okay, so finally we fixed it. So it can be like this, like that, in the phone. So you turn on the Bluetooth device like this. It's on now, you can see it's on. Then you pair it with your phone. It's pairing. And then, alright, there we go, like, yeah. Oh, it's snapping. It's snapping. In fact, I'm totally in love with this device. I'm totally in love. So guys, this is it. It's a very perfect device. Very nice device. Very nice device. I mean, this product, I saw someone having the similar, said, and it was costly. So if you are someone like me who cannot afford the costly ones, this is okay. It's okay. It's okay. It can achieve the same result. You put it down and you take your selfie from a distance. Now you don't need to worry anybody to take your pictures, and when you're taking your videos too, you have a full grip of it. I think I should be hired for adverts because I've really described this product a lot. Okay, so that brings me to the end of my video. In fact, in general, I love the product. I'm so excited that what I ordered was what I got, because this time around I took my time to review the specifications of the product, checked the height, the length, and every specification, and was sure that this is how the product is. Usually the main cause of you seeing a picture and then the reality is the opposite, is that you have to check the specification. They specify the height and the length of the product. So I think I'm so excited about this product that I got. And anyways, I'm part of Jumia's sales force, so you can contact me, then I order for you. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you on my next one. Bye bye.